Good Friday morning, everybody. This is Steve Monday, Chief Forecaster for Rowan County Weather. Before we get started with the weather forecast today, I did want to tell you this will be the last video forecast update I'll have for at least a week. I'm going to be going out of town. I'll be in a different time zone during that time, or during the next few days. And because of that, it's going to be logistically hard to get these forecasts recorded and updated to the to Facebook and Twitter and the website and all that. So I will continue to be covering weather even though I'm away. I just won't be doing these video forecasts. I will provide you the normal updates on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, on the website, just not the video forecast during my absence. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on today weather-wise, and we'll take a look at the radar. And you can see here's most of North Carolina, well, all of North Carolina, really, some of South Carolina, some of Virginia here. All the rain that we had moved through the area in the county yesterday and last night. Moving off the coast, there's another batch that moved through early this morning that's moving off to the east, and a little bit still in the county here in the southeast corner of the county. All this activity will continue to shove off to the northeast, and we will start to dry out as we move through the day. We'll see partly sunny skies as we head to the afternoon hours, and then partly cloudy skies by this evening. We'll warm up to the mid 80s. So certainly a very warm day on tap for us. And as you can see, once you get past this front, it's moving all this rain away from us right now. Double barrel high pressure back here, and it is encompassing a lot of the country. So we've got plenty of dry opportunities coming up. And I think we'll stay dry for the remainder of the day once the last little bit of rain moves out. And then on Saturday, I do have some isolated rain chances in there, but I don't think we're going to have to worry about anything. You got a better chance of staying dry than you do of getting rain. So we're going to keep a 20% chance of isolated showers in there for Saturday. But again, I wouldn't cancel any outdoor plans if you have them on Saturday. And then we'll see some rain chances move back in as we head into early next week starting Sunday. So quite a bit of rain is possible for us over the next couple of days, and we need it. And I'm going to show you why. Let's go ahead and turn off all this radar data real quick. And I want to turn on the let me turn the lightning data off as well, just so that's not confusing us. And I'm going to leave the fronts up here because they really aren't going to interfere with what we're looking at. But I do want to show you, let me turn on the drought monitor here real quick and get that updated here. And I want to show you the forecast, or the drought monitor, and how we're looking at right now. So here's Salisbury. Let me go ahead and zoom in just to show you all the county. I don't want to zoom in too far because I do want to keep some of this on the map here. So there you see Salisbury, and all of Rowan County is in the yellow, which means we have abnormally dry conditions. But if you look off to our east and southeast here, you've got this tan color that's coming up next. And that is for moderate drought conditions. And then you see this darker shade here, which is for severe drought conditions. So this has been creeping up on us. A large part of the state, especially in the eastern side of the state, they have moderate drought conditions, and there are some areas down toward Wilmington and along the southeast coast of North Carolina and in toward Lumberton that are under severe drought conditions. So if we don't continue to get this wet pattern going and get some rain moving in here, we're going to start to see moderate drought conditions here around the county as well. And if it continues to linger even beyond that, severe drought conditions will certainly move in. So want to continue to keep an eye on that. But right now, things are just abnormally dry. If we can continue to get some rain moving in and have a consistent flow of rain for, at least a period of time, we can get right back out of this, because if you think about it, we've been dry for some time, and that's what's got us into it. So now we just need to be a little wet for some time, and we'll get right back out of it. Let's go ahead and take a quick break. We'll get a word from our friends at Patterson Farm. We'll come back and give you the 5-day forecast and more. All that's coming up right after this.
Hi, this is Michelle Patterson. During these uncertain times, everything is changing constantly. We are working hard to adapt in any way that we can. We know many of you, unfortunately, will probably not be able to come out and visit our farm this season. So for the first time ever, Patterson Farm Market and Tours is offering a virtual tour experience. Here at the farm, we believe agricultural education is essential, and we strive to educate our community about how important agriculture is to our everyday lives.
Like all of our tours, each student will receive an activity book, a farm takeaway, as well as the materials needed to do a guided hands-on activity. We will deliver the students' kits to schools within a 25-mile radius. For schools further, there may be an additional fee. Our virtual tours will last approximately 1 hour. We are working on seasonal and non-seasonal virtual tours. This way, you will be able to virtually visit our farm year-round. If you are still able to come to the farm, we would love to have you. We are following all the current CDC guidelines, so we are limiting the amount of students per each tour. To book a virtual or on-site tour, check out our website at visitpattersonfarm.com. Virtual tour dates will be posted soon.
The weather impacts for today sponsored by Patterson Farm. The virtual tour is going on right now. To book your tour, visit pattersonfarm.com. Rain showers coming to an end early this morning. We'll see partly sunny skies as we move through the day. Winds will be out of the west-southwest at around 5 miles an hour, and we'll see partly cloudy skies this evening. The pollen outlook sponsored by Goodnight's Lawn Care. These guys take care of my lawn, and I love it. They offer services like mowing, trimming, seed, mulch, pine straw, and other various services. For more information on services provided, give them a call, 980-521-1937. Main pollen drivers right now are poplar, willow, and grasses. And you can see we've got medium levels of pollen in the air right through early next week. So we'll certainly continue to keep an eye on that. The good news is it's at least some relief for seasonal allergy sufferers. And you can see this tree pollen is really starting to dwindle down quite a bit. The grass pollen is the one that's kind of keeping us up in the medium levels right now. The mowing forecast. So I've got yellow lights out there for today and Sunday, but to be honest with you, the rain that's moving out this morning is the last of it that we'll see today. So you can start to dry out and get out there and mow your lawn if it's not too wet later today. Saturday, we do have a 20% chance of isolated showers in the forecast, but again, I think you're going to stay dry overall. So I've got a green light there. And then for Sunday, yellow light back in there. We've got a 30% chance of isolated showers and thunderstorms as we head into the afternoon and evening hours. So again, if you get out there during the morning hours or maybe early afternoon, I think you've got a shot at getting it done. The mosquito forecast, high levels of activity in the mosquito forecast as we go through the weekend right into early next week. And the 5-day forecast sponsored by SA Sloop Heating and Cooling, built on integrity. Give them a call, 704-857-5684. Visit them on their website, www.sasloop.com. Mention you saw they sponsor the forecast on Rowan County weather. They'll give you $25 off your first time service call. Today, got a 20% chance of, a 30% chance of isolated showers out there this morning. That's really starting to dwindle down quickly as that rain that you saw in the southeast corner of the county continues to move away to the northeast. And so we'll drop down to 0% chances actually as we move through the morning hours and through the remainder of the day. 85 for the high today under partly sunny skies. We'll see partly cloudy skies this evening, low of 63. On Saturday, we'll see partly sunny skies with a high of 87. Mostly cloudy skies Saturday evening with a low of 66. I do have a 20% chance of isolated showers in there. So again, you got a better chance of staying dry than you do of seeing anything, but I wouldn't cancel any outdoor plans. Just make sure you've got the umbrella with you just in case. Got a 30% chance of showers and thunderstorms on Sunday evening, high of 86 under partly sunny skies with a low of 67. And then on Monday, we've got a 60% chance of showers and thunderstorms, high of 82, low of 67. And then on Thursday, a 60% chance of showers and thunderstorms, high of 84, low of 67. If you're looking for ways to stay updated with Rowan County weather at any time, you can visit us on our website, www.rowancountyweather.com. You can follow and like us on our social media pages, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And you can check us out on cable television, WSRG TV in Salisbury. That's available on Hotwire Channel 394, Spectrum Channel 16. We'll keep you updated there as well. Again, remember, this is the last video forecast update, at least through next Saturday, June 12th. They could resume on Sunday, June 13th. Again, I will be in a different time zone. It's going to be logistically impossible to be able to get these recorded and put on all the social media platforms on WSRG TV and all that at the right time every day. So we will be providing you updates on our social media platforms and on our website. As we always do, we just won't have the video forecast during this time period. As always, thank you for following Rowan County weather, and enjoy your Friday, everybody.